Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about bull flag pattern. Bull flag pattern is representing the bullishness in the market, or let's say buying in the market. Okay, buying in the market. Now if you see the price action, the main and most important role is played by the trend line. Trend in the sense the previous trend. If you check the syntax here, what are the syntax? Suppose market moved upside. After moving the upside, market will go to consolidation phase. Consolidation phase is nothing but, in simple word, it's a sideways phase. After sideways, it will again give the breakout and again will move upside. That's why it's a bull flag pattern. Why it is called as flag? If you see the formation of this price action, in the whole formation, you will see the pole, you will see the flag, and again pole. Now you can ask me why this is the pole, why this pole is forming and what is the purpose of this. In this bull and flag pattern, suppose if you see this trend and if you see this pole size, always remember whenever market will give the breakout at flag, the target must be same as pole size. Means suppose pole size is like this one, that means target should be like same size. So this is also pole, but this pole is also called as target pole, and this is also called as trend pole, or let's say a simple pole. But the size of this pole and size of this target pole should be same. So you can expect the same movement after giving the breakout of bull flag pattern. Now let's take a simple example here. If you see here, this is a flag, this is the flag, this is the pole, and the same size, we can expect the same target here. Now where to put stop loss? In my point of view, I am always putting stop loss at the swing of this flag, last swing of this flag. And when to take an entry, we can take an entry at this swing or this swing, but personally I am taking entry at this swing, which is more safer than any other entry. Let's take an example from the chart itself. Just a minute, I am quickly changing to the chart. Just a minute. Now if you see the chart here, it requires lots of observation. Again I am telling you. Now if you see the chart, we can see the bull flag pattern, but now I am pretty sure you are not able to find out, but I will mark it for you. Suppose now this is the double bottom pattern, right? So what is the bull flag here? Now if you check, if you draw the trend line from here, like suppose if you draw one trend line from here and trend line from here, let's take a trend line itself. Just a minute, so that you will clearly able to understand the market behavior. If you draw like this one, and if you draw the bottom one like this one, then you will get to know that one, this is the bull and flag pattern. What is the pole? I can draw pole from here to here. The reason why I am drawing pole from here to here is, just a minute, I will draw like this one, I will draw like this one. The reason is this is already double bottom pattern, so I am drawing from the last swing. Last swing is nothing but, just a minute, last swing is nothing but this swing, so I am marking from it. So what is our target? I just copy paste, I will just recreate the same pole, copy paste, I will recreate the same pole, and I will place this pole on the chart like this one. If I place this one, if you see, I am getting the exact target just like a pole one, right? Just like a pole one. Whatever the pole size I am getting means indirectly saying this is the pole, this is the flag, and this one is the target pole. So if you observe here, the size is almost same, or we can say that we achieved our target by using the bull and flag pole, bull flag pattern. Now I can put stop loss. We can put stop loss below this one, here the stop loss. And what is the best entry point? As I suggested earlier, after breaking this one, either this is your entry point or this is your entry point. Instead of saying this one, I'm always preferring this one, because when your market break this last swing, the bigger swing, high probability that whoever sold here or whoever sold here, their stop loss is here, their stop loss is here. If I see market in terms of buying and selling, that's why more buying will come and again market will move upside. That's why it is creating the same pole size like this one in the bull and flag pattern. Hope this pattern is clear for you. This is very simple pattern, but observing this pattern is very difficult. It requires the development in the analytics and observation skill. You can develop it easily, but you need to give the time to the market. Now the last question is, in which time frame it will be better? For trading, I am preferring, like, this pattern will be good in 1 minute, 5 minute for the intraday. Intraday is nothing but day trading. And for the swing trading, I will go for 10 minute or 15 minute, or even 1 day is also fine for the swing trading. Whenever I saw this type of pattern in the 5 minute or 10 minute, then it's a confirmation of bull and flag pattern, and whenever market will exit from this flag, it will move upside. Again, the question is, what is the successful chance of this pattern? Successful in this is where we can see, suppose if I am telling you, suppose let go for our main dashboard. See, this is the resistance line. If this is the resistance line and market is in consolidation phase at resistance, and if market break this resistance line, then again high chances that market will move consolidation phase. And whenever after breaking the resistance, and if market create this flag pattern, then there is a high probability that it will again move upside and give the good results. So whenever you see this pattern, just like this pole at the resistance breakout, then you can make an entry at this position, and this is the safer side. Whenever you need to find out this pattern, you can find out the pattern above the resistance line, so it's easier for you to trade instead of trading the whole pole area, because it's risky in the trading in the running market. Just wait for the market get stable. After stabilizing the market, just make an limit order to this position, like this area, and enter here, put stop loss the last swing, and expect the target minimum of the pole size. This is the whole summary of the bull flag pattern, which I am personally following, and the winning ratio is more in the bull flag pattern. But we cannot observe this bull flag pattern in day-to-day trading. Day-to-day trading in the sense in the everyday, but you can find out within a week or whatever the market you are following, like index market or the stock option market. Now in the index market you can find out, but whenever you will find out above the resistance and pole is starting from the resistance, then do not hesitate to trade, directly go to trade. But again, it's your choice, it's your profit, your loss, and your risk. So before investing anything, you need to think twice, observe the market, study yourself, don't believe on anyone, observe the market and then only trade. Okay, hope you got my point. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.